Hi friends, today's my content is how to format with Windows 10. How to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10. This is my Windows 7 PC, and here I am showing you how to format your Windows with bootable pen drive or bootable CD. So kindly follow my channel, kindly see my all contents, and for latest updates kindly subscribe, like and share. This is my Windows 7 PC. Now I am showing you how to put or format Windows 10 with upgrading Windows 7. This is my bootable pen drive by which I make this bootable pen drive with burning app like Nero, etc. At first you have to make bootable pen drive with Windows image file of Windows 10. Let's see how to do it. Firstly, we have to put or insert my bootable pen drive in the USB port, and thereafter we have to restart my PC for getting load of bootable device. Okay, I have connected my USB device with my CPU. Here you can see it. This is Windows 10 bootable drive. Already it has burned with burning device. I already have burned my Windows 10 image file and convert it to the bootable disk. Here you can see the setup file. All image file have burned. So after putting the USB device, like you can use DVD, CD, or you can use bootable drive, network drive, etc. But you have to connect with the CPU, and thereafter I am restarting myself with the bootable device. I am restarting myself. Okay, my PC is restarting. It's going to start and it's a loading. Here you can see that they're requested to press any key. So here what you have to do, here you have to press any key. I am pressing any key from my keyboard, and it's continuous loading Windows 10 for booting. Here you have to keep in mind when the when the message are shown on your screen that press any key for booting your USB or DVD, then you have to press any key from your keyboard, like spacebar, any key, to boot yourself to your next operating system. You can see here the Windows 10 is continuously loading, and here the screen will appear, a Windows screen where you have to choose the language, and there will be a step next for custom or advanced partition options where you can make your partitions. Here you can see that here you have to choose the language, time and date format. You can set your time and format now or after, but I am pressing here next, and the message is showing that install now or repair. I want to update myself with Windows 10, so I am pressing install now. Here you can see setup starting. The Windows setup is starting on the screen where you have to choose the operating system. This is my 8th edition. For Windows 7, many types of Windows 7 like Windows Home, Pro, Enterprise. Here you can show that 6 types of operating system over here. 32 bits operating system and 64-bit operating system. Here I am referring you that please kindly install 64-bit where any types of software are supported on your platform, operating system, because Suppose you want to install any software, then you don't have to find that 32-bit operating system, 32-bit software or 64-bit software. Here you can install your 32-bit software and 64-bit software. If you install 64-bit Windows, so here have the facility. I am installing Windows Pro 64-bit. Okay, I'm pressing next. After pressing next, it continuously load, and there will be a message for accepting the license terms. I accept that, and there are two options: upgrade, install Windows. But I want to format myself with the existing drives where I will install my Windows. Here you can see that the custom installations. So I am pressing the custom install Windows Advanced. Here you can see that all my device, all my drives are shown here, and where I want to install my Windows. Here you can see that the all partitions over here. So this is allocated partitions, 100 MB. I mean, we can format, because this place or this memory is not required for us, because this is so, I mean, allocated partitions. So I can delete it because this is not necessary. 100 MB partitions. Up to when you are installing something, Windows 7 and Windows 8, it automatically allocated to a primary partitions like 100 MB. This is the, you can say, the cache file or cache drive, and this is my primary partitions where I want to install my Windows. This is my first partition. So I am referring you, please choose first partition to put first to operating system. So I am formatting myself here. So I am pressing format. It will take just a second and it will be format. Okay, I am choosing partition 1 and then clicking to the next. See, the automatically Windows are installing yourself. So don't do anything and let it be done. Okay, let itself, because it will go by his own continuously. After finishing installation features, updates, finishing app, it will redirect to Windows 10. I mean, there will be some time take for loading Windows 10, but you have to put it alone. You can see that here the all files are already copied and the file is extracting after the file is installing. Here installation is depend on your processor speed. So I want to tell you, if your processor speed is high, so your installation speed will be high. And this is my dual core. For this my speed is not so high because my processor speed is 2.6 GHz. It will take maximum 20 to 25 minutes for installing Windows 10. You can see here that it's are taking automatically, the percentage are going on automatically too. So you have to wait till 100%, and after taking 100%, the installation features, installing update and finishing up. These three options for installing, it will take maximum 1 minute. Directly the tick will appear automatically, and here you can see the green length, it will go automatically. So you have to wait till it end to the last. The green signal, it will go automatically to the finish options. So you have to wait till finish. So I am waiting myself till it finish.